Hello, I wanted to show you this beautiful lake as part of a series of films about earth wisdom teachings. And of course, when we have time to come out into nature, it's great to just drop into the present and just allow the earth to teach us. One of the things about lakes and still water is that they help to draw our mind and emotions into stillness. So this is a practice you can do, is come out, find a lake or an area of still water and just sit with it for a while. Give yourself this gift. Or if you don't have time or you can't get to a lake or for whatever reason it's not possible, do it in your imagination. Just take maybe 10 minutes. Just imagine yourself coming to a spirit lake and let all your emotions subside, your thoughts subside, drop away. Just come into the present moment and notice the stillness. So this is a practice of learning from the earth, and I wanted to share it with you. So great beauty that we're surrounded by on this planet. It can really replenish us. So have fun with this. Thank you.